I would like to have our roof replaced and put some skylights there. I searched on Google and I found really good reviews about Guardian Roofing. So I called them and the technician arrived, exactly on time, and he was very professional. He went through all the details with me, go into our attic to check all the conditions there, told me all the details about ventilation, about roofing material. He is by far the best roofer I have been talking to. So I'm, really happy about the code he provided me and the knowledge he shared with me. So I feel, very confident about Guardian Roofing, and I'm really looking forward for them to replace my roof. I will definitely recommend Guardian Roofing to all the people that I know. Thank you.